Today I will show how to install React and Android Studio together. Go to Google and search for React Native. Select the Setup Your Environment link from the React Native page and click on it. Then select the OS and mobile platform as per your requirements. After select it will provide you the command in the down of the page and guide what to do. As I am installing this on Windows, so I will copy the command and open a command prompt as administrator and paste the command there, which will install the React and JDK. After I hit enter, it will start downloading the React and JDK and installed it locally. In case of Windows, it's used to install on C drive and need at least 2 to 3 gigabytes of free hard space. So make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive. Installation will take some time, and it depends on your internet speed and computer configuration. We have wait for a while for this installation process. After a few minutes, it will show JDK installation completed. So first is now finished, and we can move forward to the next steps. You can close or minimize the command window and proceed further to download Android Studio. Scroll down a little bit in the same page, and you'll get the option for download and install Android Studio. Click on that link, and it will automatically redirect to you on Android Studio developer page. You will get one link here, and click that link. It will open one license agreement page, and click on checkbox, and click on download button again. It will start downloading Android Studio setup file from internet. Size it little bit big, more than 1 gigabyte, so it might take some time. After download the file, go to your download folder and check the file. After a few minutes, the download will be completed, and you can open download folder and find that file. File size is around 1.1 gigabytes, and when you start installation, you will see that is also not full setup. You need to download more things from the internet like SDK and Android emulator from internet, which you will see later part of this video. After download Android Studio setup, double-click on that file, and it will open the installation setup on the screen. Installation will take around 2 to 5 minutes, depending on your computer system. After installation setup finished, we need to set up the environment system, variables, and path. This video is not too much to explain, just like normal installation, but if you missed any steps, it will not run the program later properly, so watch the full video and enjoy the backend music with my explanations. After a few minutes, installation will be completed, and click on Next and Finish button to start Android Studio automatically. Now it's time to install SDK for Android Studio. Select More Action and choose SDK Manager. Within the SDK Manager, then check the box next to Show Package Details in the bottom right corner. Look for and expand the Android 15 Vanilla Ice Cream entry, then make sure the following items are checked. Android SDK Platform 35. Intel x86 Atom_64 system image or Google APIs Intel x86 Atom system image. Next, select the SDK Tools tab and check the box next to Show Package Details here as well. Look for and expand the Android SDK Build Tools entry, then make sure that 3.5.0.0 is selected. After confirming everything, click on OK button. It will take you in the back screen where you selected more actions, but this time it will show one green update button. Click on that button, it will open one new dialog box. Click update button there to update the Android Studio there. But default Android Studio also comes with SDK, but new updates and new OS also for mobile development features also published in this platform, so it's always recommended to update the system on regular basis. This update process will take some time as we are first time updating system. Click on Update Now, it will start update process. Wait till the process finish. Again, this update will depend on your computer and internet speed. So don't click anything, just wait until Finish button become enabled. After Finish button enabled, click on that and close the Android Studio. From now on, watch the video very carefully. If you missed any steps here, your React deployment will not work. Go to the Windows search bar and find the Edit the System environment, and here we will set the user and system variables. Click on it. After System Properties dialog box opened, click on Environment Variables. It will open another dialog box. Configure the Android_home environment variable. Click on New to create a new Android_home by typing in the first box, which is user variable that points to the path to your Android SDK. You can find that the SDK is installed by default, location by from PowerShell by typing %LOCALAPPDATA %\Android\SDK. Follow what I am doing here instead of listening, and do exactly same. Browse the directory and drill down up to Android SDK directory. I believe everyone who is programming knowledge they knew it, but for the new users, I like to guide in details. After go that directory, click on OK button, it will bring the path to that text box. If you like my video, please share, subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. There are many new AI software tutorials to learn, so just follow my channel. Now open Windows PowerShell and type the command Get-ChildItem Path Env / verify Android_home has been added. In my case, it's the second line. It's always advisable to check what you did is working or not, so later there is no problem while development process starts. Close the PowerShell after verified it. Now it's time to add platform tools to path. Open the Windows control panel. Follow what I am doing on the screen at the same time when you're listening me. Although it's a very things, but still I want to show each steps for new users. Click on User Accounts, then click User Accounts again. Click on Change My Environment Variables. Select the path variable. Click Edit. Click New and add the path to Platform Tools to the list. Type the command %LOCALAPPDATA %\Android \SDK \Platform Tools, or copy paste from the description of my video. Now it's time to create a new AVD, means virtual device or emulator for Android, which will looks like same your mobile device, and deploy the React project here for view and test the mobile app later. Let's preparing the Android device. You will need an Android device to run your React Native Android app. This can be either a physical Android device, or more commonly, you can use an Android virtual device which allows you to emulate an Android device on your computer. Either way, you will need to prepare the device to run Android apps for development. Using a physical device. If you have a physical Android device, you can use it for development in place of an AVD by plugging it into your computer using a USB cable and following the instructions here. Using a virtual device. If you use Android Studio to open /awesomeproject/Android, you can see the list of available Android virtual devices, AVDs, by opening the AVD Manager from within Android Studio. Look for an icon that looks like this. Android Studio AVD Manager. Follow what I am doing at the same time listening me. If you have recently installed Android Studio, you'll likely need to create a new AVD. Select Create Virtual Device. Then pick any phone from the list and click Next. Then select the Vanilla Ice Cream API Level 35 image. If you don't have HAXM installed, click on Install HAXM or follow these instructions to set it up. Then go back to the AVD Manager. Click Next, then Finish to create your AVD. At this point, you should be able to click on the green triangle button next to your AVD to launch it. It will take some to boot up your device. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification when new video will be uploaded. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.